Welcome back to the 6th Gear Garage. I'm in the process of bringing this $350 Acura Legend back from the grave. Currently fixing the clear coat. And here's a good time to show how to remove the headlights and the front bumper. I already took the grill off, and you can see these big flat Phillips bolts here. And they go all the way across the bumper under the headlights. You don't have to remove the grill, but if you want to, there's 2 clips here, 2 more over here, and then 4 screws on top. Over on the headlight, there's a 10mm bolt here and 1 here. I already got those guys out. Third one was right down here. Phillips screw here and here. And that will loosen up the whole headlight assembly, but there's still 1 more bolt. There's another 10mm bolt hiding way back there. And I have to take off the bumper to get to that. These lights came out with 2 Phillips head screws. And then underneath the bumper, there's a 10mm bolt here and another one right there. All these other holes are for the plastic lip. You don't have to take that off first, but I did. The 10mm bolts for that go all the way around the perimeter. Just these 2 10mm bolts. The ones next to them can stay. Then look inside where this turn signal light was, and you'll see 2 12mm bolts, 2 on each side. That will remove the whole bumper cover with crash bar instead of fighting all these Phillips bolts, which love to rust. Now just give it some pulls forward. There we go. Have some cardboard ready to set it on. I like how Acura did this. There's this giant Phillips bolt that slides inside this bracket on the bumper. Then these 2 bolts on each side are holding all the weight. So now I can easily get to the last 10mm bolt holding on the headlight. Once you pull it out, there's plenty of room to work. Just use a small flathead and these connectors come right out. Alright, that one popped me a little bit. The other turn signal was already out. I'll show how to remove this one. There's a little metal pull tab on a spring and just pull it. Shit. Well, that's not supposed to break off. It's supposed to help pull the spring back to release the tension on the corner light. It started to move a little bit. I'll get it with some needle nose pliers here. And that's all that holds in the corner light. Now it's free to slide forward eventually. There it goes. Then just unplug the connector and it's free. That's a pretty good design when the spring doesn't break. Then you can get to the 10mm bolt and 2 screws I showed earlier. And when the other 3 10mm headlight bolts are out, the whole assembly comes off. And that's how to remove the bumper and headlights on the front of the 1st gen Acura Legend sedan. I can't imagine the coupes being much different. I'll be doing the rear bumper in another video. Then re-clearing some of these panels and getting this car back on the road soon. Thanks for watching.